be home with him? Oh, guess what? I'm actually kind of taking a video. But it's so cute, so I'll take a picture in a second, okay?
Oh, sweet boy. Mommy, do you know what I'm really excited for today?
What?
I think now I can do karate, right?
Well, maybe you can today.
Wait. What days will I do karate?
I don't know, but maybe we'll try it out today.
Try out?
Yeah.
And then, what if I get the tryout perfect?
Well, then you just know karate, I guess.
Then I can do it other days?
Yeah, maybe